Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video, and today, yes, I'm here with another very simple and tasty and interesting recipe. Well, today I'm going to cook Axone. Yes, Axone I'm going to cook with this chicken and bamboo shoot. So I hope that my house owner will not chase me away. Just kidding, my house owner auntie is very good. So well, today I'm here with this video and we are going to cook chicken, bamboo shoot and Axone. So guys, let's start cooking. So first of all, by this chopper we'll grind all these green chilies, ginger and garlic. So green chilies only dibo, garlic only dibi, ginger, cover it. And by the way, if you want to buy this chopper, the link is in the description box and you can buy it from there. Sabi, iman bhalra mean guri dishe. By the way, we'll wash this bamboo shoot. So bamboo shoot to mui bishi hale aje, to nimde mui du pani ma wash kura aje. If you are adding like this piece of bamboo shoot, then you don't need to wash it. Directly you can add it in the vessel. But since I'm using too much, I'm going to wash it. Khordi nishna kacha eninga halina khaina bamboo shoot to idula feeling I woni mide like bishi hale azmu idu nimde idu phalra wash kuro moi. So idu first wash ase idu pani debi ni phalago moi idu bamboo shoot ase bamboo shoot la pani hoye jese idu we'll keep it inside and use it for some other recipes. Like you wash this like 4 or 5 times. This bamboo shoot to apne lo mujhe isi gole island lo di bai jabo, to island lo di apne order koribo. You can order it from island lo. They will ship it all over India. By the way, actually, khordi thamne de inia gundan lubunai. Only bamboo shoot kacha to ekdam raw bamboo shoot kacha to khawle mujhe na. So sometimes we can do this also. Okay, bhalra wash kori dishe moi 4 or 5 times na wash kori dishe. Idia edo bamboo shoot to chuto gunai na shred kori dibi. Like I said before, like you don't need to wash it at all. But if bamboo shoot kacha napai na, the bamboo shoot kacha khawulu munjay asna. Idu nimde idu from that bamboo shoot to we wash kureze. Right now na bishi hale na. Palm brush shred kurije. Chalo ija cook kuribo. Idu hali demo mircha, ginger or garlic grind brother. Pani to 3 cup thali dibo. Kigane idu bamboo shoot. We will cook this bamboo shoot very nicely. Bamboo shoot thala bishi na spoon ba nitla nihila. After adding the bamboo shoot, don't stir it. Then we will add salt also. We will cook this like 5 minutes. 5 minutes we cook kureze. Pas tinga aru mircha mix kurina bunai na kara ase. So ija moi chicken to hali dibo. teaspoon do hali dise apuni do freely cook kuru parile amla kore apuni ja halibo pare but since I cannot cook apuni freely in here in my house I'm not adding aru idu Kashmiri mirch powder ase Kashmiri la chili powder idu jhal nai bas color hi ne 2 spoon dhal dise la lal guri dibole it will give a good color Idia muanido 10 to 15 minutes will cook this chicken sabji to khuli na ek bar dibar to banao parbo So, idia akhuni hala time hoise moi age di konch na akhuni apuni bunauli free as hoise bole do chicken dalam ni halibo pare akhuni ase do it's already fried to bishi cook kurule bi kam nai to do 2 spoon moi halise 2 spoon dhalibo to itu laga pani bra olop melt kori dibo অলপ মেল্ট কৰিছে তো ইজা সিধা হালি দিবি সব ইদো হালা বিশলি কুক করবি কাম নাই কি জানি দো this akhuni is already fried so 1 minute jina moi bunabo holibi chimni do ekdom high di hali dibo एक बार खुली ना जाओ तो आजिला सब्जी हुईसी आर दो बन करे दिबी तो इदिया तो खावली टाइम आजे तो टेस्ट करबो पुले तो 5 मिनट टेस्ट करबो जुक जुक पुना म टेस्टी आजे मोर अखोनी दो आया अखोनी दो की सब्जी हालिलबी मन टेस्टी होय बेसी भाल्ने और तो पास निकाला बेसी टेस्टी हो जाए आइलैंड लोब्रा बा लगा जुबा तो अपने ऑर्डर घूम जाले लिंक दो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स दिया से तदे बा ऑर्डर कर दे आज नो आखोनी खाया जे हैप्पी बुरा बुंदा हो आखोनी खा बेसी दे लाइक स्टिल इफ दैट स्मेल इज देयर देन यू कैन वॉश इट बाय कोलगेट अप्लाई होना मतलब 2 minutes nya rakhibe ina na akhoni do pura smell jaiyo so you can enjoy akhoni so guys it's too good moi ekdam enjoy korle ase camera off kora bijile to imani video lobo so guys if you like watching this video please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification icon aro thumbs up dibi tik link kori dibi de so thank you so much once again see you in the next video bye bye